Looking at this platform right here, it says that I have 92 surveys to perform. That means I have up to 92 surveys which I can perform in this platform you are seeing right here, which I can make money for myself. So immediately I log into this platform right now and I perform all these surveys, I will be paid. For these surveys, I will answer just simple questions. So in this video, I'm going to review it to you, how you can also register on this kind of platform and how you'll be getting daily surveys, which you can be answering and be making some money for yourself. All you just have to do is just to register on the platform. After you register, you'll be receiving daily surveys every day, 2 to 3 surveys or 5 surveys daily. You can even receive up to 10 surveys daily, which you can be answering on this new platform. And after you answer those surveys, they are going to pay you, and this money can be also withdrawn to your own bank account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can register on this platform and how you'll be getting your own daily surveys. In fact, how you can be doing everything in this platform. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am NupeflaverTV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you, and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can register on this new platform, and also how you'll be getting daily surveys that you'll be answering surveys questions and you'll be getting paid. Let's get started. So now when you check the app, you are going to see all the surveys I have. You are going to see some of the surveys I have. Now, as you can see, for today, we found 3 surveys for you for today. So as you can see, I have 3 surveys which I can perform right now and make money for myself. And in this platform, what I love about this platform is that when you click on reward here, you are also going to see how you are going to redeem your money. Now, as you can see, you need 1,883 to reward your to redeem your first reward, as you can see. And this is the money I have on my balance right now. As you can see, it's also have pro tip here. As you can see, say grab point offer 100 of reward, including Visa, PayPal. As you can see, these are the withdrawal method. As you can see, this is their withdrawal method. As you can see, reward, search reward. Now, as you can see, when I have $30 to $200, I can be able to withdraw my money in my account. Now, as you can see, how to redeem, as you can see, it said how to redeem your grab point reward. As you can see, fast and easy cash out. So you can see everything here. So if you have up to 3,000 points to cash out, which is translated to $3, as you can see, hitting the goal, it will quickly. So you can read through everything about this platform. Now, when you click on menu here, also you are also going to see everything you need to know about me, achievement, your referral. When you refer people, you also earn money. This is where you are going to see your referrals, as you can see. Now, let's go back. You are going to see academic settings and your language. Now, let's come back to the home page. When you come back to the home page here, you click on your balance here like this. You are also going to see where to withdraw the balance. When you click on this 3 dot here, you are going to see, as you can see, your range here, price range here, gift card, everything. You are going to select your category. Now, let's go back. When you click on this cup icon here, you are going to see weekly loan board. As you can see, these are their weekly loan board and so much more. Now, when you click on this 0 point here, this is where you are going to see current stick. You have 24 hours left today to complete your daily task, daily seek, as you can see. Now let's go back. So this is how this platform work, and to register on this platform, I'm going to leave down the link to this platform on my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel is going to be in the description of this video. So when you click on the description of this video, you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel, and when you join my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link to this platform together with the link of this video. Now let's go back to the surveys. Now when we come back to the survey, you are going to see my first survey here for today, which I have to answer. Is just 20-minute survey, and I'll be earning 568 naira. Now another survey here is about 30-minute survey also, and I'll be making 606 naira. Now as you can see, another survey here which is going for 5-minute survey, and I will also earn 144 naira. Now let's check the first survey here. When we click on this first survey, it's going to bring it to us to an interface like this. As you can see, redirection, where I'm going to start answering this survey, and after I answer this survey, I'm going to make this money. Now, this is the survey. Are you currently living in Nigeria? Yes, I'm from Nigeria. Then I'll click on it and start answering this survey. Now, let me answer the survey so that I will show you guys if really I will make this money, because if I say I should be answering this survey, it will take long period of time. So let me post this video, and after I complete the survey, and I'm going to show you my balance. Let's wait for it. So on my next video, I'm going to review my balance for you, because if I say I should be answering the survey right now, it will take long period of time. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.